Hello everyone. In this video you will learn how to import airfoil like this from airfoil tools website, and there are thousands of coordinates of airfoil there, and we need to import the coordinates in our SolidWorks file. So to create our airfoil profile, so to do that, first go to this website. You see, this is airfoilstools.com, and there are thousands of airfoils here. You can select anyone. So here today we will import an airfoil which is used in our Boeing 737-800. You see, this is the root airfoil of Boeing 737 airfoil aircraft. So to import this airfoil, we need to select the airfoils detail. Please click on airfoils details. Then here you need to click on send to airfoils plotter. Here you see the airfoils detail. So we need the coordinates. That's why you need to click on CSV files of coordinates. You see the CSV file is here, so click on that. Here we need only the coordinates of airfoil surface, so click on this, select on these coordinates, and then click Ctrl C, then take another sheet, Ctrl V. Here only the X and Y coordinates, we need Z coordinates, but all the Z coordinates will be 0, so make it the coordinates 0. Then you need to delete this one. Okay, now save it. We need to save it as text tab delimited. So text file type will be the text tab delimited, so click on it, make sure that file type will be correct. So our coordinates is B737AIL, so we can do it like this. New, and the location will be here. Okay, now we need to close the Excel file. Now take a new part file, click OK. To import the coordinates, we need to go insert, thus click on insert, then click on curve, then curve through XYZ points, and click here. Now you see now the coordinates is empty here. We need to browse. Where is our Excel file? So here you see our file name will be B737AIL new, so click on that, then click open. You see all the coordinates are here. Now click OK. So we cannot see because we need to change the unit in millimeter. Okay, I delete it first, then change the unit in millimeter. We need to import it again. Browse. Okay, you see, now you can see here, that time it was too small to see. Now click OK. You can see this is the airfoil curve, but we need to convert it to sketch. So to do that, click on front plane, then click sketch, then select the curve and make the convert entities. Click on the convert entities, so then it will convert it to a sketch. Now we can hide the curve, and you see this end is open, so we need to close the click on the solid line, then close these 2 points. Okay, now we can use this curve. We need to I need to show another thing. So sometimes we need the chord length. So to sketch a chord length here, we need to sketch a center line. The chord length is the connection, the length between the trailing edge and the leading edge. So this is our trailing edge, but this side is our leading edge. So our leading edge is how we find this edge. So just click here. Then we need to draw a vertical line. Then make this line and this curve tangent. You see, so this is our leading edge. So now this is the chord length of this airfoil. So we can see the dimension here. Here the dimension is 100 millimeter. Okay, so okay, that's it for airfoil, and we can use this airfoil in our model. So we need to copy this. We need to copy this airfoil and paste in our SOLIDWORKS file. Thank you.